Hello everyone, it's me Louie Corpus. Today we're gonna walk from Camp Allen going to Middle Quarry. So let's go. Okay, that's SM Baguio at night. Let's go near. So there, that's SM Baguio. Session Road. So this is Santo Niño Chapel. Okay, we are already here, Upper Abanao. That is going to Nagilian and Bukaukan. Here, going to Legarda. Here, going to Session Road. This is Justice Hall, Bulwagan ng Katarungan. That's Fire Station 911. We're walking here, going to Quarry. That's Baguio City Hall. Almost every night I walk home. Now I'm walking home again. This is the overpass. McDonald's. That's Golden Pine Hotel. That's our reception when I married my wife. This is going to Palma. The old Mount Crest Hotel. This is Altitude Gym. So we are already here in City Camp. Okay, this is going to Quarry QM. We're going here. So this is CSWDO. This is City Engineering Office. Going there. Okay, that's the road. We're gonna pass here. The shortcut. This is Lower Quarry going up to Middle Quarry. So we're going up that stairs. Let's go. When you reach the top, it's gonna be Middle Quarry, the main road. Going up here is just a little tiring. Whew. Got a little tired there. So this is now the main road, Middle Quarry. We are already here. Okay, we're already home. Middle Quarry. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us. So we came from that mountain, we walked going here. This is the view of our home in Middle Quarry. That's already Nagilian Road. This is what they call City Camp Lagoon.